Hello everyone. This is your daily English speaking and listening practice. Let's start learning English step by step. Hi, how are you today?
Hi, I am doing great.
What is your biggest goal?
My biggest goal is success.
Why is this goal important?
It gives my life direction.
When did you choose it?
I chose it years ago.
Does this goal inspire you?
Yes, it inspires me daily.
How often do you think deeply?
I think about it constantly.
What motivates you every morning?
My dreams motivate me daily.
Do your friends support you?
Yes, they encourage me always.
What challenges stop your progress?
Fear and distractions slow progress.
Will you ever quit trying?
No, I will keep fighting.
What makes your goal meaningful?
It improves my future greatly.
How do you stay focused?
I avoid useless distractions daily.
Do you write daily plans?
Yes, I write daily goals.
What skills must you improve?
I must improve communication skills.
How long will success take?
Success may take several years.
Do you enjoy hard work?
Yes, hard work feels rewarding.
What keeps your confidence strong?
Positive thinking keeps me confident.
Who inspires your personal journey?
Successful people inspire my journey.
Do you fear possible failure?
Yes, sometimes failure scares me.
How do you handle pressure?
I stay calm under pressure.
What habits help your growth?
Reading and practice help growth.
Do you study every single day?
Yes, I study every day.
What sacrifices have you made?
I sacrificed comfort and entertainment.
Is your family proud already?
Yes, they support my dreams.
What makes success feel exciting?
Achieving goals feels truly amazing.
Do you imagine future achievements?
Yes, I imagine success often.
What is your dream lifestyle?
I want peaceful financial freedom.
How important is financial freedom?
Financial freedom is extremely important.
Do you follow successful people?
Yes, I follow inspiring leaders.
What lessons changed your mindset?
Hard experiences changed my mindset.
How do you manage distractions?
I remove distractions from surroundings.
Do you avoid wasting time?
Yes, I protect valuable time.
What helps your productivity daily?
Planning improves my productivity daily.
Do you enjoy learning online?
Yes, online learning helps greatly.
What books motivate your dreams?
Motivational books inspire my dreams.
How do you track progress?
I track progress using journals.
What difficult moments shaped you?
Difficult moments made me stronger.
Do you believe in yourself?
Yes, I trust my abilities.
How strong is your determination?
My determination is extremely strong.
What does success truly mean?
Success means happiness and growth.
How do you balance life?
I balance work and rest.
What career do you want?
I want a successful career.
Do you practice speaking confidently?
Yes, I practice speaking confidently.
What fears still remain inside?
Fear of failure still remains.
How do you overcome weakness?
I practice and improve consistently.
What makes your dream possible?
Hard work makes dreams possible.
Do you have supportive mentors?
Yes, supportive mentors guide me.
What inspires your positive attitude?
Positive people inspire my attitude.
How often do you practice?
I practice every single day.
What future are you building?
I am building a better future.
Do you enjoy setting goals?
Yes, goals keep me motivated.
What keeps you moving forward?
My dreams push me forward.
How do you stay organized?
I use schedules and reminders.
What advice changed your life?
Never quit during difficult moments.
Do you celebrate small achievements?
Yes, small wins feel meaningful.
What gives you inner peace?
Gratitude gives me inner peace.
How do you improve communication?
I practice speaking with confidence.
What new skills interest you?
Leadership and communication interest me.
Do you enjoy helping others?
Yes, helping others feels wonderful.
What challenges taught valuable lessons?
Challenges taught me important lessons.
What morning routine helps you?
Exercise and planning help greatly.
Do you believe dreams matter?
Yes, dreams create meaningful motivation.
What kind of future matters?
A peaceful future matters most.
How do you fight laziness?
I stay active and focused.
Do you learn from mistakes?
Yes, mistakes teach valuable lessons.
What personal qualities help success?
Discipline and confidence support success.
How do you stay hopeful?
I focus on positive outcomes.
What motivates your hard work?
My family motivates hard work.
Do you compare yourself often?
No, comparisons reduce my confidence.
What makes your journey unique?
My experiences make it unique.
How do you handle criticism?
I learn from constructive criticism.
What achievements make you proud?
Personal growth makes me proud.
Do you enjoy personal growth?
Yes, growth improves my character.
What keeps your energy high?
Healthy habits keep energy high.
How do you improve patience?
I practice patience every day.
What dream excites you most?
My future success excites me.
Do you enjoy teamwork activities?
Yes, teamwork improves many skills.
What makes leadership very important?
Leadership creates positive, strong teams.
How do you manage stress?
I meditate and stay relaxed.
What inspires your future vision?
My dreams inspire future vision.
Do you set weekly targets?
Yes, weekly targets improve productivity.
What habits waste valuable time?
Social media wastes valuable time.
How do you stay positive?
I focus on hopeful thoughts.
What motivates continuous improvement daily?
My ambition drives constant improvement.
Do you trust your abilities?
Yes, I trust my potential.
What skills increase confidence greatly?
Communication skills increase confidence greatly.
How do you remain consistent?
I follow routines consistently daily.
What makes determination very powerful?
Determination helps overcome difficult challenges.
Do you prefer working alone?
I enjoy both working styles.
What inspires your strongest efforts?
My future inspires strongest efforts.
How do you build discipline?
I practice habits every day.
What sacrifices feel completely worthwhile?
Sacrifices for success feel worthwhile.
Do you enjoy solving problems?
Yes, solving problems feels satisfying.
What gives your life meaning?
Purpose and growth give meaning.
How do you inspire others?
I encourage people with positivity.
What future achievement seems impossible?
Becoming highly successful seems impossible.
Do you value lifelong learning?
Yes, lifelong learning improves knowledge.
What keeps your dreams alive?
Hope keeps my dreams alive.
How do you improve daily?
I learn something new daily.
What motivates your biggest ambition?
My ambition motivates my actions.
Do you enjoy challenging yourself?
Yes, Challenges improve my confidence.
What makes success deeply satisfying?
Success rewards hard work beautifully.
How do you create opportunities?
I create opportunities through effort.
What inspires your strongest confidence?
Preparation inspires strongest confidence levels.
Do you stay calm always?
No, stress sometimes affects me.
What future plans excite you?
Traveling and success excite me.
How do you avoid negativity?
I avoid negative conversations daily.
What lessons improved your thinking?
Failures improved my thinking greatly.
Do you appreciate supportive people?
Yes, supportive people inspire confidence.
What inspires your personal development?
Growth opportunities inspire personal development.
How do you build resilience?
I stay strong during struggles.
What achievements changed your perspective?
Success changed my life perspective.
Do you enjoy creative activities?
Yes, creativity improves my imagination.
What dreams guide your future?
My dreams guide future decisions.
How do you maintain motivation?
I remember my important goals.
What inspires your strongest commitment?
Passion inspires my strongest commitment.
Do you welcome difficult challenges?
Yes, challenges build valuable experience.